1-minute skate park guide, Beenleigh Skatepark, Queensland.
About 30 minutes drive from Brisbane, halfway to the Gold Coast, you will find this historical skate park. It has had many facelifts, collagen injections and buckets of Botox over the last 30 to 40 years. This iteration is insane. It's all painted metal ramps that are all massive. A massive vert ramp that was closed due to renovations and a large spine ramp that was also closed. This spine ramp, however, is one of my favourite ramps to skate.
So as you can see, the skate park is just all made out of metal, and the ramps are just on concrete. It's designed by a BMXer who's a really good BMXer who's training for the Olympics. So everything here is just massive. Like this quarter pipe here is massive, massive fun box. Massive.
Not for beginners.
Definitely not for beginners. And you don't want to have small wheels here. So if you come here, bring your biggest wheels. You've got fastest skates because you're going to need it to get the speed.
Yeah.
Not a whole lot to grind here, but there is some grind poles. There's one ledge. There's a little ledge that's on the seats over there. There's a little rail, but it's not round. There's the old bowls. There's there's a photo bomber. Lots of spine ramps here. I've never had as many spine ramps in my life.
When we first came here, all these ramps were actually this splintery ply, and they were coated with diesel. They were so slippery, you fell over, you got these big brown stains up your clothes. So if we would have seen this back in those days, we would have just had our minds blown. But it probably would have been too big for us back in those days. A bit of effort is required to get up this thing. Watch Blowy work it. It's a huge ramp. You watch him pump as hard as you can. So getting up here in itself is an achievement.
It's a lot of effort.
Yeah.
Everything here has really good transitions and the size to vert ratio is always spot on. The coping is raised just enough and is a generous diameter. This park is more of a going big with airs and flips than a grinding ledges and doing technical tricks. However, this skate park has a little treat that you may miss if you didn't watch this video.
I'll coat a generous layer of wax.
At the back, there's a really long rail that goes down a little mound. It's lots of fun trying to make the whole rail, so make sure you give it a burl.
Up there. Yeah.
I give this skate park 4.5 4X golds out of the 6-pack.
Something blocking it.
Alright.